The Materiom team is co-directed by myself and Liz Corbin. I'm in Santiago in Chile, and Liz is in London in the UK. And we also have a supporting team of members who are in other parts of the world who are either engineers, entrepreneurs, designers, material developers specifically, and we are sowing the seeds for a larger network of material developers who are innovating and playing with these abundant ingredients that we're building our material library with. And we also are looking to develop a second layer of the team, which will be product designers and people who are actually developing prototypes with these materials for particular market segments, to be able to show examples of how these materials can be the basis for the next generation of products. Underneath Materiom, in terms of the knowledge that is going to support our development, is a research team and investment in research in terms of developing the data necessary to support each of these recipes. So each recipe will be a starting point for innovation in terms of if you want to make your material customized for a specific performance for a product, etc. You would know how to make it more or less flexible, etc. And all of that data is being developed from a research perspective.